Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Altered Tech, aka that OnePlus guy, back again with the new video. And now in today's video we have the Ringke Fusion X case for the OnePlus 7T. So let's go ahead and check out what we got. We have the case and we do have a screen protector. Awesome. What you get for the price, it's simply unbeatable in the smartphone market. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the case real quick. You do have the Ringke branding down on the bottom. Alright, so the first thing you want to do when you install this case is number one, make sure the back of your phone is spotless, because everything, any dust, any particle that actually gets stuck on this, you're going to be able to view it 24/7 on your device. Take like a lint cloth and some rubbing alcohol, make sure and just clean it off. You get all that grease and dust off, and once you've done that, remove the white plastic protective stickers on the back. There's one over here and one on the inside. So once you've done that, before I actually put it on, I'll give you guys a quick tour of this case. I'll go into deeper details as the video goes on. You have your cutouts and everything is looking pretty good. The back is plastic, it's hard plastic, and you have your cutouts. So let's go ahead and pop this in. To install this, it's very simple. Slide it in one end and pop in the back, the bottom, and that's it. For some reason, there are some cases out there that are very hard to take out. Start on one corner, start on the other side, and just, pop it out. Pretty simple. So let me just go ahead and put this back in. Okay people, so when it comes to buying a case, the first thing you're going to do is pick something that looks nice or something that fits your personality, and this one, it really does fit my personality. It looks pretty tough, nice and sturdy, offers some great protection. You have a clear back finish. I mean, let me know what you guys think about this case in the comments section. Look, so far it's looking really damn good, and it really complements this phone and really shows off that nice Arctic silver color. Now for you OnePlus 7T owners out there, you had to make a decision. You had to choose between the blue finish or the silver finish, and it really doesn't make much sense to buy a case that just hides that beautiful finish. So if you guys are looking for a case to show off this Arctic finish, this case is an excellent candidate. So as for the design, it's looking pretty damn good on the back, on the front, on the sides. I'm loving it so far. So on the side, you do have your Fusion X branding, and you do have this, it's like a military hardcore type design theme. It kind of reminds me of UAG, but it comes at a very much more affordable price. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the protection of this case. You do have these raised rubber bumps. These are excellent at shock absorption. Now I've had some drops with the OnePlus 7 Pro, and this case saved its life countless times. So this is why I'm actually backing this case. So you do have some rubber bumps up on the corners and up on the bottom, up on the top, and 4 on the body midsection of the device. And they offer some great drop protection. I have no issues dropping my phone, especially when it drops on the back. So as for the camera cutout, you have your camera cutout and it's almost flush with the camera lens, so it doesn't really, stick out too much. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't, but I'm not going to worry about it too much because you do have these raised rubber bumps over here. So this should actually, work in tandem with these other rubber bumps to protect your camera from falls and drops. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the front protection. You do have a nice raised lip on all 4 corners and up on the bottom. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, up on the bottom and up on the top. And as for the sides, it's not as high as the top and bottom, and I believe they actually did this on purpose so we could use Android gestures a lot more easier. So for example, if you want to go back, usually you swipe from the sides, and this doesn't really interfere with that or make it hard to swipe. So if you guys are scared about dropping your phone and cracking your screen, I recommend getting a tempered glass screen protector. And overall, this case fits in really nice with my tempered glass screen protector. As you guys can see, it's not touching the tempered glass screen protector at all. It has enough space on the sides and up on the bottom, so I'm not worried about that. So kudos to Ringke on that. But let's go ahead and talk about the cutouts. Number one, you do have your notification slider switch cutout over here, and I don't have long fingernails. As for me, pretty easy. You do have a power button, and you do have, you have a nice texture to your power button. Feels nice. And as for the bottom, you do have a speaker grill cutout, so you're not going to have any issues there. You do have a cutout for your USB Type-C and a cutout for your bottom microphone. As for the top, you do have a cutout for the top microphone, and as for the left side, you do have a cutout for a lanyard. So if you're interested in wearing lanyards with your OnePlus 7T, this cutout is there for you. And as for the volume rockers, you have your minus sign and your plus sign. So let's talk about buttons. A lot of people don't really talk about this, but for me, it is a pet peeve when you buy a case and you can't press down on the button. It actually requires you to use an extraordinary amount of force to get those buttons activated. So for this, super clicky, feels very, very nice in the hands. Even with the volume rockers, I think Ringke actually made these keys somewhat softer. I recall this being somewhat a little bit more stiffer on the OnePlus 7 Pro, so kudos to Ringke on these improvements. You know, I'm very much happy with this product. I mean, let's go ahead and appreciate the attention to detail. I mean, the precision of these cutouts, it's simply amazing. Look at this, you know, the speaker grill up on top. The precision, you know, it's very impressive. I don't see any manufacturing defects. I mean, this case is just what? It retails about 13 bucks, and you could probably get some promo codes or, you know, catch it when it's on sale on the website. I mean, this is simply impressive, especially for considering the other cases out there that are charging you maybe twice or even triple or even quadruple the amount. And so this is why this is one of my most favorite cases of all time. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me up down below. So please smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more content from my channel. This is the OnePlus guy signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day, and please feel free to hit me up down in the comment section. Peace.